Exactaform Cutting Tools is a designer, manufacturer, supplier of PCD cutting tool solutions. Been around for about 40 years, started off one man, one machine in Coventry. Grown to a new purpose-built facility, over 30 machine tools, multi-million pound investment, over 60 employees now from one man 40 years ago. So today we've had our new partners, MSC, come and join us for a day at our facility. Understand a little bit more about what we do. MSC are pretty much the country's largest national supplier of cutting tools. They are integrated into some of the larger companies within the country, and whilst they can satisfy a lot of the customers' needs with standard products, there's many an occasion where they need to supply special products and special solutions to the industry. For that reason, we approached them, they approached us. It became a synergetic partnership with them in order to provide these solutions to their customers.
So MSC, we're a metalworking distributor, so obviously we lead with metalworking at our supplying customers, and obviously I look after the added value resource that our engineering team do, so we obviously support with product implementations, efficiency gains and continuous improvement measures. We've come today, obviously we're starting a new partnership with Exactaform, and we just come for a tour of facilities and to see what they can do, and it's been great to see. The state-of-the-art facilities they've got and the sheer capital investment they've put on here, obviously at a site in the UK, is great to support UK manufacturing. I think it's the start of a great partnership. Obviously at MSC we look for people that have the same values as us, obviously Exactaform, customer-centric, right tool for the job, which is exactly what we do at MSC.
The alignment between MSC and Exactaform is pretty good. As we talk to the guys, and it's not contrived, we look at some of the values that they have, we look at some of the solutions they want to provide. As they have a huge bag of products that they can provide, we become one of those, but the synergetic values between the two companies in providing the right tool for the right job at the right time are both perfect. They believe in that, and so do we.